Hello people, this is Dennis again, and today I'd like to show you my invention, the boat. It's a type of special boat. It has like this mechanism on the back that'll launch that thing over there. You see that? See it? This thing, okay? Now if I can just take the boat, I will show you a small animation with this, okay? Let me just go and close the door. Okay, yeah. Now, here's a small animation. Let's think of the boat, the whole big boat, okay, as a Titanic. And then this small thing as an iceberg, okay? So that's it. Just wait, let's put it a little bit back. Yeah. Animation starts. Hey guys, it's a little cold in here. Aren't we heading to San Francisco? Yeah. Is that an iceberg? That's how the Titanic sunk. It crashed into an iceberg, but it was not heading for San Francisco, okay? Now, thank you for watching and subscribe at YouTube.